We'll guide you through how to reply to forwarded email Gmail. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by pressing the Windows Start button located on your computer taskbar. Type the name of the web browser you want to use into the search field and select the browser application from the search results to open it. Wait for the browser window to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. After the browser opens, click the address bar located at the top of the browser window. Type Gmail and press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the website. Open the official Gmail website from the search results and wait for your Gmail inbox page to load fully on the screen. Once your inbox appears, browse through your inbox carefully to locate the forwarded email message you want to reply to. Click the forwarded email conversation to open it and display the complete email thread. Read the forwarded message carefully before creating a reply so you fully understand the information being shared in the email. Scroll down to the bottom section of the email conversation until you can see the available reply options. Click the reply button located below the forwarded email message to begin writing your response. Wait for the reply text box to appear completely on the screen before typing anything into the message area. Review the recipient email address carefully to ensure you are replying to the correct person before continuing. Click inside the reply message box and begin typing your response clearly inside the email body area. Make sure your message is easy to understand and includes all necessary details related to the forwarded email conversation. If needed, you can also refer to the forwarded message while typing your response to avoid missing important information. Review your reply message carefully before sending it to check for spelling mistakes, missing information, or unclear wording. Double-check the recipient information once again to make sure the email address is accurate and the reply will be sent to the intended person. Click the Send button to send your reply to the forwarded email conversation. Wait for Gmail to display a confirmation message showing that the email was sent successfully. After the message has been sent, you can close the email conversation.